Hi, my name's Nicole, and I did my current event on why killer viruses are on the rise. Where are these pandemics born? They're born in rainforests. HIV, Ebola, yellow fever, and Zika were found in rainforests. Outbreaks rise from rainforests due to their housing of crazy animals. Some of these animals haven't even been discovered yet, and some can be found in microcreatures and nanocreatures that we can't even see. In the rainforest, evolution goes to the extreme in these animals. You'll see changes in their body shapes, body sizes, and the colors of their animals. This current event focused on Malaysia's Borneo rainforest discoveries. Kevin Olival and his team were searching for new diseases here. Olival is an ecologist and evolutionary biologist with the US-based nonprofit EcoHealth Alliance. He is part of the organization called PREDICT. PREDICT is a $20 million project sponsored by the US government, and it's led by the University of California, the School of Veterinary Medicine. But why would he pick Borneo? Borneo is a large rainforest and has new animals that need to be discovered. The goal is to find viruses that are inside these animals around the world and prevent outbreaks in humans. New World Order. Over the past century, the number of infectious diseases cropping has nearly quadrupled. The number of outbreaks per year has more than tripled. These viruses and diseases that are being newly found are not new. They are actually new to science. Viruses have been circulating in bats, monkeys, and rodents for the past tens of thousands of years and possibly longer. Some problems with these rainforests. Some animals that are infected with viruses in these rainforests are actually not harming them. So to the human eye, we do not see anything wrong, so we do not detect any new viruses. Untouched rainforests are filled with viruses. As soon as they are destroyed, all the viruses that survived in that rainforest spill out into the air and start infecting the area. Wild animals have no place to live. They start to live in backyards, peon crops, etc. And the cost to find these viruses is very expensive. The biggest problem is bats. Bats are probably the most dangerous animal in the world. They carry multiple killing viruses. The viruses are carried through their bodies, blood, spit, and feces. They are also flying animals, so they can spread viruses across huge distances, affecting the world. How can we correlate this to globalization? Well, viruses can be spread through the air, and some of these animals can fly and spread the virus through the air, through feces, or through any type of liquid form that they disperse. In the US, more than 12 human diseases have appeared over the past 25 years. For example, killer tick-borne virus happened in Kansas in 2014. Leprosy dismembered a man in Arizona in 2002. And rodents to humans, there was a hemorrhagic fever in California in 1999. In Malaysia, in the past 40 years, more than 1/3 of the Borneo rainforest has been destroyed. So through the destroying process, the viruses that still survive will spread throughout the air and affect surrounding areas. And for an overall worldwide effect, bats had triggered the Ebola outbreak in West Africa in 2014. Traveling 20 countries in 7 years, 1,000 new viruses have been found. SARS-like viruses in bats across 3 continents, which is the SARS is the bats killing pneumonia. And by 2050, more than half of the world's population is predicted to live in the tropics/subtropics. This means that they have to destroy some rainforests to create living space, and therefore once the rainforests are destroyed, the viruses that survive will spread throughout the air and affect the population.